how to do a really easy DIY tutorial of Chebe butter. First, what you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of Chebe, raw shea butter, an oil of your choice, and a hair grease of your choice. So stick around and I'll show you how to make it. A tablespoon of raw shea butter. And you're gonna put it in a jar or a microwavable container because we are gonna microwave it. Then you're gonna get a grease of your choice and you're just gonna get a tablespoon of this. And for this actually lasts me 1 application, so I have to do this once a week because I do it every 5 days. So once every 5 days is when I have to do this. Okay, and I already measured out my Chebe, which is a tablespoon. I'm not using my oil today because I ran out, so I'm just going to do the mixture without oil. If you guys do want to add the oil, you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the grease and the raw shea butter. Okay, it's not done yet, but it's almost done. Have your grease and your raw shea butter, and then you're going to put it in the microwave until it melts down into complete liquid form. And it should look like this. It's literally liquid. I'm going to get closer so you guys can see. It's really hot, so I do have my oven mitts on. Safety first, guys. This is already measured out to a tablespoon of Chebe powder, so I'm just going to dump this straight into my liquid. And then we're just gonna mix it together. This is the consistency that we get. It's no longer liquid. Thanks for watching on how I make my Chebe butter. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down there in the comment section and make sure you subscribe. Sincerely, Shiloh.